Okay, so last shave, I recorded it, but I didn't record it because it didn't come out on the machine, so we're gonna do it again. But this time we'll be using Man's Vespers and a CV Heljestrand. I don't know what, it's a 5/8 full hollow, nice little razor. Beautiful thing. See it today on the Safety Cat Studios YouTube channel. Okay, you guys know that I do a shave pretty much every other day, but there's a big gap in here because, well, I didn't push the button. I shaved, I tried, I thought I recorded it, but it didn't happen. So what we're gonna get today is kind of a, well, has elements of both shaves. We're using Vespers today from Heljestrand, but we're continuing to with the Lather accumulator. So there's also some Prix de Provence number 63 in this mix, and well, you may see a picture floating up here of how I make the lather with the accumulator. That's just for your entertainment. Our razor today is another CV Heljestrand. This is a it looks like a 4/8 actually. I thought it was a 5/8, but no, it's a 4/8 super sharp little sports car razor. The shave you guys didn't get was using this razor, which is a Artist Club clone. It's a wonderful razor too. I have regular Artist Clubs, but I chose this SS clone just to see if it's as good as the other, and it is. So if you see little pieces of this production has a different razor, it's not likely to happen, but it might. You never know. I don't know what my editing is gonna do at this end of the production. I got a big goob right on my phone here. That part of my phone is nice and clean now. So, 4/8, and this is a Heljestrand Vespers. It's a conifer, smells very piney. Very, reminds me of in our church we had a lot of greens hung. Balsam, fir, yeah, that kind of Christmassy kind of a fragrance. Somehow appropriate for this time of year. And because I used the lather accumulator, a bit of this lather is also PDP 63, which is my soap of the year. And enjoying it while the novelty of being 63 and using 63 is still with me. I don't mean it's a great joke, but I'm taking a little bit of, I have silent breaks because this razor being small and thin, it sometimes will twist in your hands, and you gotta be careful not to do this number. Especially on flabby pieces of skin like this. Which can make your day real quick. These are little Swedish razors, are wonderful shavers for me. I like them real well. Class Tord Bloom is my favorite, but CV Heljestrand is my right up there next to it. If they could occupy the same space, on the chart there. You can't have a tie though. You can't really have a tie for first or second. But if there were, there would be a tie between Clashtorn Bloom and Heljestrand. At least for me. And a third first place would be at Hikoboshi, which might as well be a Swedish razor because it's so good. But it's Japanese. So a Japanese Swedish razor. I think we could do two strokes with this. And the thing with a narrower razor like this is you do a lot of wiping off or rinsing off because it gets loaded up with lather real fast like that. And you can't do multiple strokes, you have to go back clean it each time. But you know from when you do the stroke like that, that there's no whiskers left. At least with this razor. This thing is dynamite for removing whiskers, which aren't very many, because that feather did such a terrific job last time. But still got to concentrate right there on the lip where you could redesign your face. Get those little onesie twosie whiskers right in there. And that should probably do us. Let's have a look. Yeah. That's about as close as you can get with two strokes. Or two passes. It's a great shave. We'll be using some Thayer's Lemon. Lay that on there. And then we'll use Vespers aftershave. So I'll get all the pine now. I am pretty much going to be a Christmas wreath when this is on there. I like it. There's some fruity notes to this too. I'm not sure what it is. Let's have a look at the bottle here, see if it gives us any idea. Oh, cranberry. So that's what I was picking up, a little bit of cranberries and evergreen. Smell like $1,000,000. Great shave today. Thank you guys for coming to visit with me. I'm Major Rich. You can find me at theshavingcodry.com, or you might be finding me on my YouTube channel, Safety Cat Studios. If you wouldn't mind, it doesn't cost you anything. Subscribe, so then I try to get to 500 subscribers. That's kind of my next goal. I can do that. If you're so inclined, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.